Hello there, and welcome to this course on Access 2013. I'm Jason Manabog, your tour guide, and I bring to you 15 years of experience conceptualizing, building, and fixing databases of all kinds, including, you guessed it, Access databases. Now, you might be brand new to Microsoft Access if you're taking this course. And we're going to learn something new. We should start from the beginning. Here I have a football. Now, one time I was watching TV, and I saw a very famous football coach proudly hold this up and say, "This is a football." Now, I can't really hold up a database as that's not very practical, but to start this course, we should just answer a question. What is a database? A lot of people think Microsoft Excel is a database program. Yes, I know, Excel has database-like capabilities, but Excel is not a database program. It's a spreadsheet program. You can store information in Excel. You can somewhat structure it in Excel. You can ask it a few questions here and there, but Excel is not really a true database program. Access is. And that's the focus of this particular course. Now, if we want to tie together these pieces of a database definition, what better way to do it than to open an Access database? So I'm going to open up Microsoft Access. It just so happens that I happen to have a copy of the database we're going to be building throughout this course. So let me open it. Now, the first thing we notice when we open an Access database is we see a security warning. It says that some active content has been disabled. This really doesn't apply to us right now. It'll actually apply much later in the course when we cover action queries. But for now, we can just X out this box. Now that that's done, let's take a look at the screen itself. We mentioned in the database definition that databases allow us to ask questions of the information. So we've seen that tables structure and store information in an Access database. Now the next part of our database definition is that we can ask questions of this information. We do this through using queries. We see some queries on the left-hand side of the screen. So, how sharp now do you feel about your definition of a database? It's not just about storing information, is it? It's about storing information, asking questions of information, and reporting on information. Access has many parts, and now you know those parts of your definition match up very well with the parts of an Access database.